So, welcome to my channel. We wait for the subscribers. I wait. I wait that the subscribers coming. Sorry for the delay announcement. I had a lot of issues to do. Today was for me a long day, but I think it makes sense to make a live stream because you can see also from the chart all the signs what I predict or what I say to you is coming true. So we wait that the channel can or the live stream is full of subscribers. Yeah. Okay. Please prepare your questions. Yeah. I won't take some questions in my live stream and so that we have here a good live stream. Yeah. So I wait. Yeah. So the live stream will start in 5 minutes, but I look to the chat. Yeah. So I wait so that the people can come. You can ask me now so that we can prepare us. Can everybody write the country from which country he is? It's a little bit funny, yeah, if we see how many people come from US, Germany, or France, from Africa, maybe Turkey, Italia. Ah, okay, one US. Okay, cool. So wait 3 minutes and then I will start. Oh, England. Okay, cool. From London. Oh, Singapore, South Korea. Wow, international. Cool. So let's, I would say, okay, Romania. It's also good. UK, the anti-Brexit part. Okay, you have to explain this. The anti-Brexit. The other area, you mean? Okay. Mhm. Denmark, Belgium, Finland. Okay, cool. Kremlin, London. Okay. So I would say let's start. Yeah. Well, that is good. Where's California? That's very good. Mexico. Very international. International. Very good. I like that. So we're starting here with the Bitcoin price. Let's make a short intro about this action here. So then we look into this, and people or trader who have experience, they see something here, like something in this structure. Yeah? They see here a huge inverse left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. And this is a huge opportunity for us. If you look here, that we have lows, they go to 28 area, yeah, 25, 28, and you can see this is coming really from 21, yeah. This is the beginning part, and this is the ending part. And most of the people not really see this, yeah. These are, how can I say, part lows, yeah. The lows, they are in this part, yeah, in this section. And this is the start area, and this is the ending area. So that I'm here very bearish if I see some constellation like that. And that's the reason why I say to you, we are not in the end. We have here now buying signals. Yeah. So if I see here buying signals, then I would say to you, okay, here we have an opportunity to buy. Yeah. Now at the moment we are in a bad situation, because if you look that we have a, I would say not a big gap, but a gap between 32 and 21. So this is in my eyes an area in which Bitcoin could fall. So we're looking here to this area and look short term what happens here. If you look here, you can see we have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation and more insight. Before I start, I would look to the chat. Yes, Hassan Kul. He said, I have lost 80% of my wealth on Luna. Have never faced something like this in my trading life. I buy the coin at $28 in 15 and $3 still trying to recover. I would say such events are not so much. Yeah. Um, if you're asking me, this was a, I would say this is a planning attack of to Bitcoin. Yeah, they try to find, or did they try to take the price of Bitcoin to the downside. Yeah, and they need reasons. Yeah, so that you believe, I believe, and other believe that selling off the parts of Luna taking the price of Bitcoin to the downside, but this is not the real reason. Yeah. So thank you. Now we're looking here to this area. You can see huge negative channel. We have this big channel to the downside, and you can see how massive this is. Yeah, you can see this is going really bad to the downside. Now we can argument, okay, we have here a little bit place to the upside, but I would say that we have here not so much energy. Yeah? If you look here more inside, this is the big top-down view. Now we're looking here more inside, and then you can see that we have today the situation that the price is broke down. Yeah, I explain you this in detail. If you look here, this, I hope you can see this. We touch this 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth time to the downside, and this was not nice. This is a signal to us that something big is coming. The elites announce this. Look here, the price will fall here to the downside. And this peak here, this inverse peak, give us huge information that the price will break down. Yeah, and this is in bull market, such peaks are very positive. In bear markets, these peaks to the downside are very bearish. This is not the only signs here. Sign. Let's look more inside. So you can see the next sign is wonderful. You can see with your own eyes here. The price is going here to the downside. Make here retest of this area here. Yeah. I'm honest to you. It is also for for trader who have experience very hard to look and recognize the signs. Yeah. But generally, we can say that this line will not hold. Yeah. This support is a very weak support, and the next trend is that the price, in my eyes, could easily fall to 20,000. I don't know what event this is, but this will happen because this year this structure is very weak. This is how can I explain you this? This is the best part, upside part of Bitcoin at the moment. You can see this also here. You have here a big left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Look how poor this is. Look, this is the best part here. Here, this is the best part of Bitcoin. And the elites and the rich and the, how can I say, the vaults manipulate the best part, the best, I say this to you again, the best part of Bitcoin, upside trend. They manipulate this to the downside. The best part, this was not the best part. This was the best part. And now we have the situation that we are staying at 28,000 levels and Bitcoin form his last moves. You can see wonderful structure. I would expect that we could test this level again, yeah, in the RSI 63. Here I would say something like that, a little bit to the upside, 30,000, but it is clear the price of 19,000 is coming. And the best information here is after 19,000, 20,000, we are not finished. Yeah. Then this was, I make this in blue that you can see this. That here was our uptrend, channel 1, and after falling to 20,000, we open the channel 2. So from this point, people not realize at the moment, they not understand what will happen. This is channel 2, and channel 2 was, yes, over the last, let's say, from 2017 over the last 4 or 5 years. You can see channel 1, channel 2. Over the 4 years, we're trading in channel 2. So I read the chat so that we can answer some questions here. Some subscribers say to me, yes, live stream is very important for us. Yes, you get here exclusive information. Also in the Wolf Bitcoin Club, there you get really information about the shorting of the Bitcoin price and the long. Yeah, so also important. So, which coin token really do well in the bull market? I would say you have to look to each coin, yeah, each coin, and then I can say to you which is the best performance coin. So we have SPS, we have HBAR, we have Ethereum dot. Okay, you can write in the chat, then I can read. Yeah. So for me, it's relatively interesting. The people here in the chat or in general, they have now question about this. How can I say technical analyze? Yeah, they see this. Yeah, but the interest in technical analysis is very low. I, so my feelings. Yeah, I think if you look to the technical analysis and have questions about this, then it would help you very weak, I think. Yeah. One question, for example, is why is the price falling to this level and not this? Yeah. The reason is we have here a big resistance between them and them. Yeah. So Mr. Chaos, we will look to Phantom. Yeah. So this is no problem to find out in which direction Phantom can go. So okay, H price again, second time somebody write this in the chat. So we're looking here more to Bitcoin price. So we're looking what is the next target at the Bitcoin price. So the next target at the Bitcoin price, I would say that we will fall to 26,000. Why 26,000? The reason is we have here a negative channel. Yeah, you can see here the negative channel is going from here, so that we have to retest this area at 25,000. Yeah? If you're falling here to 26,000, forming here the last action and a break at the structure here at 25,000. Yeah. So I would say we will see something like that. And let me look. Yes, this is the downtrend. This is our negative channel, so that we have to test these levels. Yeah. But after that, I think the price of Bitcoin will go very quick to the downside. You can see this structure will not hold, and we will landing finally at 20,000. Yeah. This could also very quick. If coming very bad, then the price could really hard go here to 24,000 and pendling here on this level. Yeah, we have to look how quick the walls and the elites try to push the price to the downside from Bitcoin. Yeah, so I calculate with them and see this negative structure to 20,000. So one important question. One subscriber say to me, can we expect a bloody weekend? I would say yes. Yeah. I don't know the reason why the price, or I don't know the reason what the vaults will announce. Yeah. But for me, is from a technical point of view, very relatively clear that we have here these formations. Yeah. And this is danger. This is a highly aggressive red bloody danger if you get something like that in the uptrend. For many people, is this a downtrend? For me, it's an uptrend. And if you get in the uptrend such negative signs like that, then you can expect that we will go very hard to the downside. Yeah. And we have also other signs here that give us really red lines, red signs. Yeah. So that the price could go really hard to the downside. In my eyes, is next to 20,000. But let's look. Yeah. Most of the time, these negative channels are in the last section. I say this to you again, in the last section, not valid. That means even if I say to you here 20,000, the elites and the rich and the worlds, they manipulate in the last section here extreme, so that also technical analyze tools or behavior is not working, so that they can push the price really hard, 50%, 50% from 28,000 is the half of them. This is 14,000. Yeah, you can see here. You can see 13, 14,000 here. Yeah. So I show you that here a few minutes ago that we have the energy to go here to 20,000. Yeah. But as I explained you this in the last section, some technical analysis is not working. Yeah. Especially in the last section, because they want to manipulate the price. Yeah. And they give you not this information. So that I think, yeah, my target is 20,000 at the moment. That we will break here the structure and could go here to 13, 14,000, 50%. I give you an example of this, yeah, that you understand why I think so. You have to look to the history. Yeah? You can see same situation here. This is the last section, last area. Yeah, yeah. You can see triangle gets closer and closer. You see, I'm not explain here blah blah and such other things, hard facts. You can see triangle. We break out from this triangle. Yeah. If I predict to you here, the price is 6,000 of Bitcoin. The price will fall here to 3,000. Then you would laughing to me, yeah, and would say, "Well, go home." Yeah. But I see this triangle break out 50%. You can see 6,000 to 3,000. And this, I see this in the chart what we have here. Yeah. Also the signs are clear like this last section. And this was only a pre-step. Yeah, this was not a step in which I would say, okay, the bull market is over. Yeah. But this step we will get here now bigger. Yeah. The bull market is over. So in my eyes, I would say that we have the energy to go here to 9,000. Yeah. So if this coming really bad to the downside, then the people, they have no chance. Yeah. Especially the young people, yeah, between 18 and I would say 27 or 30. Yeah, they never see such crashes in their life. Yeah, old people like 30 to 40 or 50, they maybe their lives see a lot of crashes. Yeah, so this is a typical signs of a crash, and the reasons why I said to you 8,000, 9,000 is this, because we have here really, really good support. here you can see. So we're looking now to the chat so that I can answer the question. Yes, aggressive to the downside. So we're looking, one request was gold. Let's look to the gold. So you can see gold here is at 1,800. So to understand the gold price, you have to look very in the history back. Yeah, you can see the. I hope you can see this. Let's look. Yes, you can see the gold price. So what we have here, the price of gold begin 80.34. Yeah, and now we have this construct. Yeah. So to understand this, we have to look here more inside. So you can see this here over 200 years was a preparation. Yeah, was a preparation for this. So in Bitcoin, maybe this is very important information for you. Nobody knows this. In Bitcoin, we reach at the moment this. I make this in red. So this is blue is gold, and the current situation at the Bitcoin price is the red. So what we can expect is that the green line here, this green line is coming for Bitcoin. This is the bull market for Bitcoin, but nobody see this. In my prediction, I said to you at the moment, yeah, here I said to you, okay, the price is, for example, for there's only an example, yeah, for Phantom is maybe I say to you a number, yeah. I don't know the Phantom price at the moment, yeah. I say to you, for example, 20 cent or 30 cent at Phantom. But the target of Phantom is something like 15, 16, $20. But people not believe that because they not know that this is coming. And for me, it's really clear if I see a structure at the Bitcoin price that this year is coming. Yeah. So we are here at the gold price in a bull market. Yeah, but the people not understand is that that this year, the bull market here will go more higher because due to the inflation, yeah, what the elites and the rich make, yeah, the printing money, the value of gold will go, I would say, $5,000. So how can I find out this? Yeah, how is this possible? Let's look. So we have here a downtrend here and start here. Oh my God, what is this? Relative easy to understand this. Here you can see uptrend in gold, and I would say, I'm honest to you, uh, it is possible that we get here a market crash at gold. That is every time the same. We get here a crash. I explain you this here that you understand this. Look to this. The price of gold was here $1,000, and you can see what happens here at 2008. Yeah, the market crash is coming. 2008, $1,000 gold and going to 676, the half, 50%. You understand? Before I talk about the Bitcoin price, 50% to the downside. You can see 50%, 50%. So please keep this in your mind. The actors, yeah, the rich, the elites, they control the gold and they control Bitcoin. I know some of you not maybe understand why Bitcoin is not, it's not possible. Yeah, Bitcoin is new technology and so on. No, they have the power, they can control this. And okay, you can see 50%. Bitcoin will also go here to the Bitcoin to the downside 50%. After 50% drop, the price of gold go really hard to the upside. Yeah? And this move to the downside we can expect also here, because this cycle is coming to the end. I would say if I look to this here, then I would expect that the price of gold will go to 1,600. So I would say we have here the possibility that the price is going to 1,600. Yeah. So let's draw this. The price is going to 1,600. You can see we are staying on this uptrend, and we have here now downtrend. Yeah, you can see we're sitting on the line here, and at this point is interesting. If we going down from 1,300, then we will see something like that. I make this in blue that you can see this, or we make orange. So this will happen. We stay on the line, and then if the walls want that the price should fall to the downside, then we will get this, and then the bull market is over. Especially this point is very important, yeah, at the moment. And if this is not happening, you can see this from this movement. If we get here a hammer, then the next trend is something like that. But in my eyes, if I look to this, then I would not expect downtrend. Yeah, I would expect that the price is going here to the upside, because due to the inflation, we have to go here to the upside. Especially if you look here, we have here a triangle that gets closer and closer, and after that you can see touching 1, 2, 3, and then break out, and then the 5,000 can come. Yeah. So we will see something like that. Forget the timeline at the moment. Yeah, I not focus on the timeline. So I would say let's read the chat so that it's not getting boring. So let's start. I would say, okay, US dollar. Let's look what we have here at the US dollar. I don't know if this is working or not. Let's look. Okay, US dollar is here. So you can see 1966 to this. Let me look. we have to find our entry point. What is this? That's okay. So I have to look. Give me a little time. Okay, I understand this. Here, this is the entry point. Forget what you see here. Since let me look what we have here. 2008, we have here a positive trend line to the upside. Yeah, but the problem is, it's now we have to look. We have to look. We have to look. Hmm, I don't like this. So you can see this is an uptrend. So the dollar is still since 2011, yeah, in this uptrend. You can see touching one time, two time, nearly three time, four time. The benefit is you can see here a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation. So we have the energy to make this. Yeah. You can see also we have here a very good constellation. Yeah. So I would not wondering me if the price of dollar could go to these levels here this year. But this is not financial advice. This is only the experience that I see here. What I see with my experience, yeah, pardon. And that could this constellation could go really in a short term, maybe in I would say 2 to 3 years to these levels, yeah. But after that, I see here no potential. Yeah, I see this here because if you look here, we have here an inverse left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation. Yeah, blue line, danger. So, and you can see we touch this here, 1, 2, 3. The next, what is coming to the downside, the price is going really hard to the downside. Yeah. Yes, maybe the end game. Yeah, the price, the value of the dollar will go here to the downside. You can see, especially here from the downtrend. So the people not the people not understand that the value of the dollar will go here to these levels. Yeah, you can see clearly the downtrend beginning from 1966. I don't know why the elites and the rich built this structure, but they they put the value of the dollar is going here to the downside. You can see here. So we're looking here to. So let's make some cryptos. Yeah. Let's look here. Let's look to XRP. Look, we are starting with the crypto. This is a crypto community. Um, I would say let's make 5 to 6 or 7 cryptos, then we could finish the live stream. So as I predict to you, the value of XRP is going to the downside. You can see prediction is coming true, but my prediction here was um, yeah, something like we have here. So in this direction, yeah, 13 cent, 20 cent areas. So let's look what we have here. We have a really good uptrend. Yeah, oh, not nice. Look here, touching 1, 2, 3, and the next is break this down to these levels here. Yeah. You can see also clear, look here with your own eyes, that we already break the structure. Look, you can see clear test, break. This is horrible. Yeah, that what you see here is very horrible construct. This is the in this construct you can see this is the end game. Yeah, you can see that here. Look, that we have here a spike to the downside. Yeah, the value or the price try to go here to the upside, make here test and at the support. Yeah, and you can see these supports are not how can I say, not so strong. The price is going here to the downside, go up, go down, and you can see clear this is the line. Yeah, and finally we break the support to the downside. This is I would say the last edge in here. We could go here to the upside, and then the next is something like that. Yeah. And if you see something like that, this is the inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder. Oh my god, this is, I will not say here bad things, but this is not good here. You can see clear the negative structure is going from here, and the price will break here to the downside. Let's go look to the next. I hope I can answer all the requests. One moment, I have to look to the chat. So I would say we're looking to Phantom because the subscriber asked me this. So we have here Phantom at 30 cent. People who follow my channel, they know exactly. You can look to the history, yeah, to the old videos. The price of Phantom was $2.30. Yeah, $2.30 here, and I said exact on this video that the price will fall to 36 cent levels. Now we are staying here and make a retest. Of course, this is a good, how can I say, a structure. Yeah? If you see something like that, yeah, this is a W pattern. Yeah, and this W pattern is of course positive. Yeah, that's the reason why the price is going sideways here. Yeah, in real we're going not sideways, we're going to the upside. Yeah, but the people not understand this. You have to look here. Maybe we could get something like that. Yeah, no matter, even if the price going to 57 cent, this is not the same what we lose from here to here. Yeah, so I would say if you look to the chart, then you can see clear that we have here a downtrend, yeah, a big downtrend. So would not wondering me if we test here these levels here, maybe uptrend. But in my eyes, it's clear that we will go not so much to the upside. You can see be testing exact this area. As I described this in the Bitcoin chart, this is area 1, this is area 2. So 2 is this, yeah. So Phantom and other cryptos prepare themselves to enter here, or they are entering this, I would say 10 days ago, the channel 2, but the cryptos prepare themselves to test the lows here. Yeah. So we enter here. This is like a tunnel or a channel. Yeah. Enter the channel, make a retest, and go to the end of the channel. Yeah. The end of the channel is 001, 002. So, but the subscriber want to know if this is going to 00002 or 002. Let's look. We have here the price of 23. We have this. Yeah, this is a very big range. Yeah? If you look here, 23 to 52, nearly 30 cent. Yeah. So we cannot expect that the price of Phantom go to 30. Yeah, nearly. Or I calculate this exactly so that you see this what the difference is. Give me a little time. So what we have here. So I would say that the price and the difference of this range is too big. Yeah. So I expect the price of Phantom at 002, 001. Yeah. Let's look more inside. So the danger is here. You can see here a wonderful uptrend. Yeah. This was a really good uptrend. The price pushed to the upside. Yeah. Test here this level and then you can see fail to the downside, and now we're hanging here in the air. Yeah. But the problem is we have not so much time. You can see from this point um, the same. This is an uptrend, but the volts manipulate this to the downside. And that's the horrible thing. Yeah, people think, okay, the price is going to the downside, but in real, the price is going to the upside. Yeah, and you can see we break the structure here. Yeah, the first structure break, second structure break, and this is the third. Very, very, very horrible formation. Yeah, every blind man can see this. And these are the key information that you have to understand. Something big is coming. Yeah, you can see we fail here, we fail here, we fail here, and after some fails, yeah, the price will break down. And people not realize this, they not see this, and this is the horrible part of this. Yeah. So, so I would say let's make some cryptos so that it's not getting here boring. So what we have here. So let's look. I would say we make here this here, yeah, from one subscriber. I hope that we can find this. I make this the first time. Yeah, I hope this is working. I don't know what is this. Yeah, CDF fund. No clue. Yeah, but the technical analysis is the same. Yeah. My advice is nice to see something, yeah, that the price is going from $1 to $18, but you have no history. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, what would you do if the price is coming from zero here? Yeah, let's look. Yeah, if this starting point at zero here, let's say the starting point is 0.0008. Yeah, you look here to the chart and say $1.50, super, I invest. Yeah, yeah, you look here, this is coming from $20, $1, perfect. Yeah, perfect to get in, but you not know what the vaults make here or made here as a starting point. Do you really believe this is the starting point? No, this is only from KuCoin or some exchanges um, they define the starting point, but it can happen that the starting point is zero. Yeah, you invest here a really big money and say, okay, I buy here 100,000 pieces, and this is going to zero, and then you have zero. Let's look inside. Same story. If you look here, oh, you can see here clear. We break the structure, and break the structure here to the downside, and this crypto is very weak. Yeah, if you look here, normally this is a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Yeah, and even this is so bad that we make this structure here in this area. So I expect something like that. Let's look more general. So you can see the price is going to $1.18, going to $1.890. I would expect here that the price is going here to let me look to 40 cent here. The next move is something like 40 cent. So we're looking here to the next crypto, maybe a little bit faster. So let's look to Theta. So same game. I said to the Theta follower, really get at this time very hate comments on my channel. I said to them this the price was here at I would say what was this in the area in this area I warned them. Yeah, I said to them $9 also earlier, $9, $10 the price will go here to $2. Very bad comments on my channel. Now you can see the price is going to $1, and this is not the end target. As I described you this was the channel 1, yeah, and this is channel 2. So we enter the channel 2, and now you can look with your own eyes. The price of Theta is coming from 19 cent levels. So now I zoom for you that you understand. This is the big gap here between $1 and 20 cent. So if you forget the $16, $12 area, these are going away. Yeah, these are not at the moment, not in our case. Yeah, we have to look from here, $1 to this level, 20 cent. You can see we have a good support here. So the next move is going to 20 cent, but let's look more inside to understand the structure here. I would say if I look to this, the next target is 50, 50 cent here, but it's not the end target. I would say in my eyes that we make here retests. At this moment, I not know how far we can go. I would say same game, 50 cent going to 78, 80 cent, yeah, and make the last move to the downside like this. So we're looking here at the next crypto. I would say let's make let's look. There are too many requests here. You can request in the wall for profit. Let's look. Okay, the coin you wanna share with you, Wolfpack, with us for singing of this live. Okay. Okay. I would say let's make. I would make here other, maybe other. Also the same game here. I won the other holders very early. Yeah, at these levels. Look here. The price was of other here $2.30. I said to them the price of other will go here to 20 cent. Nobody believed me. Also haters, yeah, on my channel. Yeah, so for me is so I'm not emotional. Yeah, I look to the hard facts. The Moon Boys they make here blah blah. But I'm honest to you, I see here not so much energy to the downside until maybe 20 cent, 15, 13 cent. I see here energy. Yeah, then I would say the price is very stable at these levels. Yeah. You can see also here from the big left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. This is the end. Yeah. From this point, we will go out of this, how can I say, the negative trend here. And then sideways movement will begin. The preparation for the bull market will go forward. Yeah. And we will see a little bit up and downs and prepare the bull market for 2000, end of 2023, 24, 25. So we're looking here, too many requests. Okay, thank you, thank you for this, yeah, Dr. Shira. So we're looking here to what is the next? What we can do as next? Okay. What can I do next? Yeah, maybe you can say to me what I can do the next. I won't make all the requests, but I think we have here not so much time. Let's make what we can do. Let's make Katie Risk say to me, why haven't YouTube showed me you earlier? I think the YouTube is blocking me. Yeah, so I think they make censor because I tell the truth, and the rich and the revolts don't want that you get this information. Yeah, they don't. They won't keep you not rich. Yeah, poor. Yeah? You are slaves. So why the slaves should get this information? Yeah, makes no sense. Yeah, you have to go work as slaves. Yeah, and then bring the money to home. Yeah, and work again. But the rich, they make planning and plan what in the future should take place. So I would say we make here 3 coins and then we make finish. So we make here, let's look, we take this, I hope this is working. So flame, I hope we can see something here. Let's look. So very poor information. Let's look here to, I hope it's working. What we have here. Okay, I cannot find this. I go to the next. Let's look to the fuel. So I'm honest to you, T fuel is, in my eyes, very aggressive, but it depends what the vaults make with this project. Yeah, if this coming, or if this, or how can I describe this? If the project is alive, yeah, go in the next years and is not that like Luna, then this has really potential to the upside. Why? The reason is if you look here, the price was here 0003 and go here to 074. This is nearly 100 times to the upside. And you can see we have here a really good positive channel. This channel is active and this is our uptrend channel. Yeah? And we have uh, another channel that is going from here, but the people not see this at the moment. And imagine the price is going sideways, 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 yeah, and make these moves here. Yeah, go to $2. It's only a top-down view. Yeah, it's not a prediction. But I want to show you how this works, yeah, that you understand this. So we have here huge formations and get this here. So, and this here is a huge positive left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And this is pure aggressive positive. Yeah. If this project is alive, yeah, is working and do some things, yeah, then we can expect that the price is rising. But you can see from the timeline a little bit tricky, yeah, 2023, 24, it can happen very much things. So to predict this here, we have to make here some patterns. Yeah. At the moment we cannot see this pattern. Yeah. This pattern is rising here at 2023, then I can predict in my channel Okay, we see here some signs. The next is this, yeah, and this you can see in my membership. I warn the people that something big is coming, so that you can prepare yourself here. So we're going to the next. XRP we have done already. So let's look to H bar, and then we look now only to, or we can make this. So we're looking to this, to Vera. Also very good. You have here really good uptrend, very good, perfect. But the base is low, so the price could go really down to, I would say, let's look what we have here, to 0001. To look this very detailed, we have to find here some points. So you can see the price is going to 5 cent, 005. We have here, oh, not so nice. This is not this is nearly the 50%. Yeah, you can see a really big inverse left shoulder, hat, and right shoulder. So I would expect that the price is coming really hard to the downside. Oh, something like this here. Yeah, I would say we will see something like that. But for the future, these are candidates for the Wolf Penny stocks. In the Wolf Penny stocks, I present every month free cryptos that has potential to the upside. And I think next time I will present this, Vera, because in my eyes, this has really potential to the upside. The reason is we have here um, a big left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation here, like this. Look here. Even if the price is going sideways, we have here um, a really good channel here. Oh, I'm too fast. Let me make this. I hope you can see this. So yeah, just a little bit. Now we can work. So um, let's look. We have here this triangle. Yeah. So now you understand the prediction. Yeah, that we not talking about blah blah. We have here tools and how can I say um, technical analyze, so that we can say, okay, if this pattern is coming, if we get here big hammer, and if we get here higher lows, yeah, like this, this, and this, then the signs is that we will break here out. Yeah? And people again in my membership get this information. Let's say we have here September, breakout is yet December, at least 3 months ago. Uh, so you get this information here. It's September and the breakout is in December. Yeah? You can prepare yourself 3 months before. And that's what the people don't understand. Yeah? Who have not the memberships. This is possible to predict. So we're looking here let me look. The last was H bar, but I would make here, okay, let's make two and then we make finish. So one is this. Okay, same problem. We not know what is the history. Is the history 0 or not? You can see the price is at 004. 0.005. I'm honest to you, even if this project or even if this in your eyes very big, this is big, yeah. If something is going 10 times higher, yeah, then we have another potential for the next time that the price is going very high to the upside. But we not know what is the history. The history could also go to is zero, yeah. So, but the most of the negative price or behavior is already in this chart. So you can see we are here. If we are here, then I would say, yeah, then I would say we have a downtrend and have risk to go here to the downside. We are here, and we have, yes, risk to the downside, but in direction of 0.001. But the positive, what we have here, is that we could make here sideways movement until December. And this is a good sign for us because we have then the possibility to break this structure. Look here. You can see clear touching this point, this point, this point. And then the next point is for me clear. If this happening here, this move to the upside, then we will break here out. So the end target is here much higher. In the bull market, this will fly. If the project is not dead, the price will go here very hard to the upside like this. Yeah? But no financial advice. This is only at this moment the fact. Yeah? So when do you think the bull market will start? Bull market will start at, I would say, preparation here. Really start, I would say, here. Yeah, because most of the cryptos will not start here directly at 2023. Most of them will start earlier, but the mass of them, yeah, will start between 2000, I would say beginning 2024 and 25. So we're looking to H bar and then we will finish. So for more, please request involve Profi or use the Wolf Performance, or I would say Wolf Price Target is also a good membership, because if you get the Wolf Price Target, you can request one crypto, but you have access to Wolf Performance, Wolf Penny Stocks, and Wolf Profit. So it's also a good for you. How can I say? Good membership. So the last H bar, I think this is also one of the best cryptos. We have risk that the price will fall. Let me look. Yeah, the price will go very hard to the downside. I would say the price will go here to, if I look to this, yeah, I would say 0.002, 0.001, yeah, something like that. Yeah. We have here a good structure that the price could go here after the falling to 0.001 or lower, that we make this here. The price could pendulum at these levels, yeah. But for the future, I expect that we are going out of this channel, but I expect something like that. More sideways movement end of the year. Then we are staying here at these levels. Then we have to look what happens here. Important is that we have to go out of this negative channel here. This negative channel is very dangerous for us. Yeah, we have to go away from this and can then start here a good structure like this, and then the price could go here to the upside. So I would say we finish here. Thank you for watching, and please share the videos to your friends and family so that the community can grow. If the community can grow, then I would take more time for you, yeah, for each of you. Then I think you get here better service from my side. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all your time, and see you later. Maybe the next days. Yeah. If something coming again true. Yeah. Like other and Phantom, the price predictions, and also all other crypto predictions coming through from my side. Um, and general also. So I think stay on the channel, share the videos, and see you later. Thank you.